Every photo you share is hiding a secret. The exact spot it was taken, the camera in your pocket, even the person who edited it. All of it is baked right into the file. In this video, I'll show you ExifTool, a command line tool that pulls every hidden detail out of an image. One file, and suddenly you know more about a photo than the person who posted it. Think of a photo as a package with a label on it. That label is exif, the metadata written by the camera the moment you press the shutter. Model, lens, ISO, shutter speed, the software that edited it, and in most phones, your exact GPS coordinates. Getting ExifTool is a one-liner. On Kali or Debian, it's apt install libimage exiftool Perl. On a Mac, brew install ExifTool. It runs almost anywhere because it's written in Perl. Now point it at an image. A simple exiftool photo.jpg dumps every tag it can find. Dozens of fields, camera make and model, resolution, timestamp, software, and much more. What looked like a plain picture is suddenly a data sheet. Here's the part that gets interesting. Run ExifTool with the GPS flag, and you get the coordinates hidden in the file. Paste those numbers into a map, and it drops a pin on the exact location where the photo was taken. Your home, your office, your hiding spot. ExifTool can strip all of that too. One command, exiftool-all equals, wipes every hidden tag and saves a clean copy. The picture looks identical, but the metadata is gone. This is how osint researchers and journalists trace photos. A single image posted online can reveal a device model, a serial number, the editor's username, and a GPS pin. It's how a picture becomes a location. So here's the rule. Before you share any photo, strip the metadata. On a phone, the sharing menu usually strips GPS automatically, but check. A photo of your family, your car, or your home should never leak where you live. If you want to learn ethical hacking, hit that subscribe button.